Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I hope everyone is healthy and happy wherever you are. Today we will have the quiz for colors. For those who haven't learned the colors in Malay yet, it is recommended that you check out this lesson first. The link is above and in the description of this video. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. Send me a comment because I love to hear from you. Share and help me by liking the video. Terima kasih. You will be given a color, and to know its name, you need to rearrange letters. The answers will be given at the end of the video. You will be given about 10 seconds to answer. You may pause the video to have more time. Are you ready? This is how I will ask you. Ini warna apa? Ini warna apa? Once you know the answer, say it out loud. Ini warna, followed by the name of the color in Malay. Ini warna. Alright, jom mula. Ini warna apa? 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 I hope you get everything right. You may repeat the quiz from time to strengthen your memory. Do you know that to be fluent in Malay, the best and most effective method is to immediately converse in the language? What is better than practicing Malay with the native, and that is with me? Let's talk in Malay, practice, and be fluent ASAP. Why wait? Book your class by going to the link here or the link in the description of the video. See you in class. Terima kasih dan sampai jumpa lagi.